I'm here today in a field looking at some soybeans, but we're going to talk a little bit about stress mitigation and about a product called Homestretch Harvestshield. The product has a good combination of amino acids, proline, oligosaccharides, and other enzymes that can help the plant get through high stress environments, leading to higher yields at the end of the year. High crop production in the Midwest has demanded that farmers increase populations and increase their nutrient utilization and efficiency. All this intensive pushing on the crop has given way to some stress, and that's our job, is to manage stress in crops to maximize our yields. Kind of a critical stress time for soybeans is during reproductive growth. We're talking about from R1 to about R4 application timing for an application of Homestretch Harvestshield. When they push up against each other and start to compete for water and for nutrients, a lot of times they'll cannibalize off the 1 and 2 bean pods on the plant, and they'll shed those on the ground. We want the plants to maintain those little 1 and 2 bean pods and to take those to yield, because that can be the difference between having a really profitable crop and having a break-even crop. So for us, Homestretch Harvestshield manages the reproductive growth on soybeans. On corn, we oftentimes in our stress plots, which are lower yielding plots, say 170 to 190 bushel corn plots, we'll often get a 7 to 10 bushel increase in yield. Where we get into high population environments in corn, where we're pushing populations up into that 36,000, 38,000 plant category, those will be higher stress, and in those environments we'll often see a 10 to 20 bushel increase in yield. Strong yield improvement in corn if we put the application on in that V5, V6, V7 stage when corn is just going into rapid growth, because that's when most of the high stress period is for corn. Corn's pulling in as much water and as much nutrition as it can when it goes between V5 and VT. We really like that application on corn during rapid growth stage, and on soybeans we like to see it on during reproductive cycle. Learn more about this and high yield low cost solutions at meristemag.com.